So this is how much MiniPay pays me for having over 1.9 million naira in their platform. Now, I want you to listen to what I said again. I said, this is what MiniPay pays me. Okay, I did not say paid me. I said pays me for having over 1.9 million naira in the platform. Now, I've made this kind of video before, but I'm making this video to kind of still remind you that something like this is still ongoing. So you can consider if this is what you can be able to do, or this is what you would want to do. Now, in case you are wondering who can be able to do this, then I'm glad to let you know that anybody can do this. And when I say that anybody can do this, I mean anybody, whether you are a student, whether you have a 9 to 5 job that you're doing just like me, because I still have 9 to 5 job that I'm doing, okay, or whether you are a stay-at-home mom, you can do this. Then if you can be able to do this, or if anybody can be able to do this, then what are the requirements you can be able to use to do that? I'm going to show you how much the platform pays me for having, you know, over 1.9 million. Now, the requirements you need to have to get started is, of course, if you're watching this video, that means you have a smartphone, right? So you need a smartphone, you need access to internet, and of course you'll be needing money. Yes, because of course I said this is how much MiniPay pays me for having over 1.9 million. So, but it's not much that you need to have the same 1.9 million, even if you have 100k, 50k, 30k, right? But I'm making this video to let you know the amount the platform pays me for having over 1.9 million in the platform. Now, if this is what you want to watch, I want you to do something for me, right? I just want you to click the like button. Yes, just go ahead and click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are going to get in today's video. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Please do well to click the subscription button. Yeah, just click the subscription button and then turn on the bell notification beside that subscribe button, right? Yeah, what the bell notification does is to always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you've subscribed to the channel. Now, let's continue with the video. So first thing first, you need to get started with the platform called MiniPay. Yeah, so how do you get started? You need to visit your Google Play Store or your App Store. Just search for MiniPay, click on it, install it, then proceed with the registration. The registration doesn't take time to get it done, right? Just your email address, your phone number. What else? I think you'll be needing BVN or so, but just know that the requirement is not much. It's very simple to navigate. So once you are done with the registration, right, I think this is time for me to show you my own account and then proceed with how the platform pays me, or the things I do in order for the platform to pay me. And I would also want to show you how I also earn money from the same platform. Okay, so in case you would want to also find a way to earn more money aside the one they pay you for having a certain amount of money in that platform. So if you have gotten to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, and if you're yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscription button. Then let's proceed, guys. So once you are done with the registration, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. You see as everywhere is shining green. So when you look over here, you are going to see how much I have here, which is $1,409.60. That is how much I have. And if you want to know how much this amount is equivalent to naira, then you just have to turn this down and it is going to show you how much this is in naira. So let's just quickly do that and you are going to see. So for over $1,400, we have 1,956,385 naira. Okay, so I am going to show you, because I wouldn't want this video to take time, I am going to show you how the platform pays me. Okay, yes, I'm going to show you how they pay me for having this amount of money in my account. So let's proceed. So when you look over here, okay, when you look over here, you are going to see that this amount, this is $2.86, and this money came in 12 hours ago. Yeah, this money came in 12 hours ago. And I am going to also show you something, because I'm going to show you the 3 ways that I earn money on this particular platform. this amount is what they give me for having this, okay, in my account, right? Yeah. So, and this over here, I am going to show you this over here. I'm going to also explain because that is another way that I also earn using this platform. This is 0.10 cents. So I'm going to show you how I am getting this particular amount. Okay. Then this one over here, let me click on view more here so that I can explain better. So let's proceed. Boom. So this is the one they pay me for having that amount of money in my account. This is another way that I earn money, which I'm going to expose to you towards the end of this video. So stay tuned. And this over here, this is 0.01 cent. This is also 0.01 cent. This is also 0.01 cent. These three amounts, I also receive it the same day that I am going to that the same day that I receive this amount. Relax, guys. I am going to show you how all this thing works, right? So remember, this is how much they pay me. This particular amount is how much they pay me for having this amount. So that is the first way or the first method that this platform pays you. So whichever amount you are going to be having on your dashboard or on this platform, the platform is going to be paying you for having that amount of money with them. Now, I think this is a marketing strategy. This is a way they would want you to know that they are in existence. So this could probably stop maybe tomorrow. Yeah, yes, or maybe after you must have finished watching this, but I doubt, because I've been earning this for over 1 year plus now. Okay, I've been receiving this money over 1 year. So remember, the amount you have in your account is going to determine the amount the platform is going to be paying you. So you cannot have 10,000 naira, you will be expecting to be receiving the same amount that I'm having over me that is having over $1,400 will be receiving. It doesn't make sense, right? So the amount you have determines how much you are going to get paid, right? Okay, so we've moved away from the first method that they can be able to pay you, or the first method that I'm using to earn on this platform, which is the amount I have determines the amount they are going to be paying me. Okay, now let's also quickly move over to the second method that I'm using to earn using this particular platform. And it's very simple. So what you're going to do is you are going to click over here, or what I do is every single day I do come over here, then click over here that says apps. Yeah, so once I click on apps, this is the interface I am going to see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just scroll up. Yeah, so once I scroll up, I am going to click over here that says daily rewards. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm going to click on daily rewards. So once I click on daily rewards and it loads, this is definitely the interface that I am going to see. Now they are going to show this to me, which is claim, right? Yes, so it runs for 7 days. So once I claim this reward for 7 days, each days they are going to be giving me something for claiming reward for every single day. That 0.01 cent that you are seeing, this is where I am getting the money from. Yeah, so okay, so what we're going to do, or what I used to do, is I do go ahead and click here that says claim. So let me proceed to click, so you will see. So it's loading here, so let's wait a little bit. So it's going to ask me to verify that this is me, right? So I'm going to click here that says claim, I think. Yeah, okay, so then I'm going to proceed to put my fingerprint just to unlock it, and it's going to load. And let's give this a boom. Right, so I think they're going to show me, okay, this is how much we just received now, which is over here. I we just received 0.010 cents. That is how much I just received now, right? So I'm going to also, it's not done, I'm going to also go ahead and make some money, extra cash. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click over here that says go. Yeah, so I'm going to click here that says go, and let's just give it a moment, and it is going to load. So it's loading. Okay, so boom, it's done loading. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back again. So let me just go back again to the previous page. So you see that the first go is done. if you look over here, you will see that they wrote task completed. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do is to complete the second task. The task is very simple. Just click on go and just relax, and everything is done. So we're going to go ahead and click on the second go. Right. So if I've gotten to this point, let me know by clicking on that like button. Yes, just go ahead now and click on the like button. And if you're here to join this beautiful family, you know that I really don't know what you're waiting for. So go ahead and click on that subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So this is all I need to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is to also go back to the previous page. So let's go back again. It's loading. So boom, this is where I have to click to earn another money. So once I click on that goal, the first goal, and after it loads, I'm going to go back and click on the second goal. And after it loads, I'm going to also go back to the previous in order to see, in order for this claim to appear. So what are we going to do next? I'm going to click on the claim, and it is going to load, and we are going to boom, we just received another money. So you are going to see this is what we received, 0.001 cents. So we're going to move over to the main dashboard so we can see how much that we received so far. Now it is telling us, look over here, it is telling us to come back again tomorrow. You understand? Come back again tomorrow. So each day we are also going to be coming back in order to be getting that reward. So this is the second method that I'm using to earn using this particular platform called MiniPay. So we're going to go back to the main dashboard, to our dashboard. So I'm going to click on wallet. Yeah. So click on wallet to show us the main account. So when you look over here, you discover that this was the first amount you were seeing, which is $2.86. Yeah. So this is what we just received after completing that task, the two tasks, right? Yeah. So this is how much we receive. So this is another way that I earn extra income aside the one that the platform pays me for having a certain amount of money in their platform, right? So I've showed you the first method that I use to earn money, right? I've showed you the second method I'm using to earn money. Then we are going to move over to the third method that I'm using to earn money. I think there is also other method that you can as well use to earn money, right? But you just have to figure it out. You can click on here that says apps. So click on there. That is one I'm working on. This one in particular. Okay. So let me click on Halo, right? So is a platform, or an, yeah, let me say a platform that what it does is you can use it to scan a receipt. So maybe when you buy something and you are being given a receipt, just snap the receipt and scan it and upload it here. So once they verify the receipt, they are going to probably give you points. So what they are doing is to give you points. So each day what I do is I come here and I go ahead and click here that says claim. So go ahead and click on claim. Boom. So I just got 6 points. Okay. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to also claim again. So I think they are giving you two ways you can be able to. So I'm going to also click again on this place that says bonus. Yes, so I'm going to click on bonus. So you're going to see that this point is going to increase. I have 160 something, 165 points. So if I'm going to click on this claim, I am going to receive 18 points. Okay. So let's go ahead and I'm going to verify that it is me. So boom, I just received 18 points. So you see that this has increased. Okay, we were having around 165 points, but currently now we are having 183 points. Okay, so but I'm still also going to figure out how we are going to do the withdrawal. But I think the way to do the withdrawal, I think they have a minimum points you can be able to have before you can withdraw. But once I do my withdrawal, I'm going to also make a separate video to let you know how it went. So these are the ways you can be able to look out for ways to earn extra income using this particular platform. So let's go back to the main dashboard. So I'm going to click over here that says wallet. So click on wallet. So I've showed you the first method I'm using to earn money using this platform. I've showed you the second method that I'm using to earn money using this platform. So we're going to move over to the third method I'm using to earn money. So the third method is the referral method. So how do you go about that? Go ahead and click over here. So this is my profile. So click on profile. So once you click on profile, you are going to go ahead and click over here that says invite friends. Yeah. So click on invite friends. and they are going to give you your own customized link. This is the link over, so you have to copy this particular link and share it to your family and friends, anybody. Okay, you can share it on your WhatsApp status, anybody that uses your link to register with this platform. The person is going to get paid for using your link. This is where this is getting interesting. The person that used your link to get registered is going to get a welcome bonus of 0.10 cents or so. Okay, the person is just going to get paid for using your link to get registered, and you that they used his or her link to get registered is also going to get paid, right, for bringing someone to the platform. So if you are going to use my link to get registered, the platform is going to pay you for registering with my link. But if you go the route of, let's say you used Google Play Store or App Store, after the registration, you're not going to get anything. But once you use a referral link, they are definitely going to pay you for registering with someone's link. So this is the third way I make money using this particular platform. So let's just read the referral process or the terms and condition. I don't know, but this is how it works, just like they wrote it here how it works. So the first one is you share your link, right? So share your link via any chat app, SMS, or social media. The second one is the person needs to have at least a minimum of $2, like you that is going to share your link for people to use it and register. You must have minimum of $2 in your balance before you can be able to get any money after someone must have used your link to register. Yeah, so that is another thing. Then the invitee signs up. If your friend signs up using your link, you are going to earn, this is the amount you are going to be earning, right? Let me do it again so you can see. This is the amount you are going to be earning, 0.10 cents. And your friend that you used your link to get registered is also going to earn the same thing, 0.10 cents. Right now, the last one is invitee adds cash. So once your friend adds at least $2 to their wallet, you earn up to 0.10 cents. So if the person you invited adds or deposit at least minimum of $2, you are also going to earn another 0.10 cents. And that your friend that used your link to register is also going to earn extra 0.10 cents for depositing. So how cool is that? How cool is that? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is how I make money using this particular platform called MiniPay. So I've told you, I've shown you the first method I'm using to earn money. I've showed you the second method. I've showed you the third method. So if I've gotten to this point, I'm really, really proud of you. Go ahead and click the like button in exchange of the value you got in today's video. And if you're yet to join this family, Omo, I really don't know what you're waiting for. You are really missing a lot for not joining this family. So this is an opportunity or avenue for you to do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Okay, so click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime I'm uploading some informative video just like this one you're watching. So this is what I have for us in today's video, guys. Cheers. Hi there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video and I really appreciate. I'm glad you are trying to make a change in your finances and I am rooting for you. Now, in case you want to know how you can be able to deposit, I made a separate video showing you how you can be able to deposit seamlessly using this platform called MiniPay. So if this is what you're interested to watch, then I recommend you click on the video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Click on the video and I'm definitely going to see you on the other side. Keep winning, guys, and always know that Leo loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, bye, comrade.